Hey, if you want to build one of these, or one of these, or maybe one of these, you're going to learn how to do this. I'm Robert Piantek from Big Forest Frameworks, and we've been teaching frame building courses here for more than 12 years and had over 400 students build their own frames in one of our courses. And we want to show you how to learn how to fillet braze joints like we're doing here. This course is for you if you want to build your bike frame yourself, but you haven't gotten started yet, or if you've been fillet brazing for a while, but aren't quite so happy with the results you've been getting and would like to improve your technique. I was always happy with the frames that came out of the course, but it's always nicer if the results are better. I was always looking for ways and thinking about how maybe the brazing could go better and be easier for our frame building students. Eventually, we came across a new technique that's not utilized very often in bicycle frame building. We decided to try it out, and we were really happy with the results and saw a pretty dramatic improvement in the quality of the joints coming out of the frame building course. That doesn't mean the joints were stronger or better. They were always strong enough and good enough. But physically and optically, they're much more pretty than they were before. And the better your joint looks when you're finished with brazing, the less time you need to sand and file the joint. And it's also better for your frame because the less time you spend sanding, the less chance there is that you actually sand away part of the tubes while you're brazing. And the last thing you want is to remove too much steel while you're finishing the joint, because that makes the joint weaker. With our new technique here, we really saw improvements in the joint straight out of the torch. And the course participants who are building their own frame need a lot less time to finish the joint. That also makes it more fun for them, and they're happier with the results. So in our course here, we can show you how to do the same thing that we do from the comfort of your home. And that saves you the time that you need to come to Potsdam to learn our way of fillet brazing. We're going to talk about the kinds of materials we're using that you can use as well to braze your frame. We're going to talk about how to prep the joints on the frame to get ready for brazing. We're going to talk about how to hold the torch and what exactly you should be doing while you're fillet brazing, so the basic techniques of brazing your frame. We're going to talk about how to inspect the joints to see what's going wrong and how you could do better. We'll also show you how to finish the joints, the techniques that we use to finish the joints on our frames. And if you're not quite happy with the joints, we're going to show you how you can improve them to fix problem areas that you might have when you're finished brazing or sanding your joints. Our course only costs €99, and that's not very much compared to the amount of time it'll actually save you in sanding your joints at home. If you're not happy with it, if you don't feel this has really improved your technique, we offer 100% money-back guarantee on your purchase here. Just send me a mail and let me know that you're not happy with it, and we'll refund your purchase.